Hello everyone. I'm here in my hallway and I put up this antique Dayton ceiling fan. It's a Dayton 600 series. And it was originally I think 48 inches, but the blades didn't come with it. So I made my own. As you can see, they came out alright. They're a little rough, but they're pretty nice, I think. So really it has a span of 30 inches now. And it's an antique ceiling fan with a bell canopy, which I don't think is original to it. In fact, I know it's not, because it didn't come with it. But I had it spare. As you can tell, it's for a 3/4 inch. And that's 1/2 inch, but it fits. It looks cool. So, anyways, I just oiled this thing and it runs superbly. It's 1 speed. And, oops. Sorry. 1 speed on-off pull chain there. So let's see it run. As you can see, it goes pretty fast. And it's moving quite a good amount of air. It has that vibration noise, and I don't know what that is. I haven't figured it out yet. Probably just need to put rubber washers under the blades and stuff. I'll certainly troubleshoot that at some point. But since I oiled it, it has a really long spin down time. Like before, where it would have stopped by now. This fan was rewired by my friend Mars. So it's pretty good. It looks good here. The only thing I don't like about it is that without a light on it, it gets pretty dark over here, as you can see. That's not a big deal because I have the light here. So I mean, it's bright enough. If I need to see something in the closet, well, I've got the light that's in here. But that's my little Dayton, and I do love it. It's one of the 3 antique ceiling fans I got from, oops, that's my bad. One of the 3 antique ceiling fans I got from Architectural Antiques here in San Antonio. And I'll definitely be keeping an eye on that place. Anyway, that's it, and I hope you enjoyed.